guys, Whitney from WSS Equestrian. Welcome to my video on how to rug your show horse when it's -5 degrees. So right now it is -3 degrees, thankfully. The sun's up and it's warming up a little. Today we're going to get to a top of 8 degrees. So Teddy, he still is in his show condition with his coat. He's still in a summer coat, thankfully, for the stables and these lights. So if you haven't already seen it, I've done a video. I'll leave a card at the top on do's and don'ts for lighting in the stables with your horses. So just a quick gist, having your horses in the stables, one, keeps them out of the weather like the rain and the wind. Two, you control the lighting with lights. You either put your own lights in from Bunnings, or if you're lucky in the stables that have lights in them already and they've got a timer, you set the timing to mimic the days being longer for summer. So when we go into winter, the daylight gets shorter. When we go into summer, the daylight gets longer, and we want to keep the longer daylight hours for the horses. So that's why they're under the lights, trick them into thinking it's still summer, and they keep the beautiful summer coat for winter showing. Fortunately, now we go into our winter break, where my area is, we don't have any ag shows until August, September. But we've got another show or two. Anyways, we've got one more thing that I want to take Teddy to next weekend. So, excuse me. So I'm trying to keep his coat, and I'm experimenting to see how long this year. The last few years I've been down here in the central west New South Wales. Excuse me. I know we've got to go to the paddock. I know you've got places to be. Give me a moment. So the last 3 winters I haven't been able to keep his coat, or 2 winters. Is it 2? 18, 19, 20, last 3 winters I haven't been able to keep his coat through winter. So this year I'm trying really hard to try and keep his coat in summer condition, and I'm just experimenting because we do have the Ekka in August. So anyway, that's for another day to think about. So experimenting. So what I have on Teddy today is 3 rugs. I will de-rug them to show you. So real quick so I can get it all back on him. So he's got his flag rug, his Gala Equine, his rug. So this is his rug he lives in all year round. Hey mate, I'm gonna scratch. Itchy. Oh, that good. Scratch your hip. Oh, hello, Shrek. Hello. What are you doing, Shrek? What are you doing? You said hello. Yeah, okay, back to what I'm doing. So he has this on 24/7. It's really important to either have a cotton. This is like a flag material, but anyways, it's awesome because it covers his ears, covers him all over. And then my choice is this polar fleece rug, purely because it's just what I've got to put on him. So I put this on. Look at that trick. On top of his cotton flag, whatever, his base layer, and then Teddy. And then once that's on, he's got his special Weatherbeater thermal rug. So this is the replacement. When I first moved down here, beautiful lady at Horseland, who no longer works there anymore because she sold her farm, she instructed me and helped me and guided me to buy this Weatherbeater rug because it's got the insulate down the back, and that helps regulate the temperature. So I thought this was the best in the market to get for my Teddy boy because he deserves the best. He deserves to be treated with the best I can treat him with. So this then goes on top of the other rug. And I know, like with rugging, it's a touchy subject for some people. As in, you know, people say, oh, just leave the horse unrugged. They're naturally not rugged. But when you're showing horses it's your obligation to make sure that they are looked after 100% to the best of their ability. Like, it's on you. Don't clip a horse. That's the most frustrating thing. It blows my mind. You see these people clip horses' coats in winter, particularly in this area. I remember where I used to have my horses, just this horse got clipped for one show. And then just sort of half-assed rugged. And it just does my head in when people don't look after horses correctly. So, you're going to keep your horse's coat short in winter. It is really, really, really important that you layer them up and you give them, you make up for taking away their natural insulation of their coat with ample amount of rugs. So, there we go. So, in my research, like I've learned that a horse, it'll feel the cold at 8 degrees. So it's only going to get to a top of 8 degrees today, isn't it? And where we live, it's a lot colder than what actually says on the weather report, isn't it, Teddy? So it's really, really, really important that, you know, you make sure that they're rugged to the best of your ability. When I spent a bit of time in Australia's Top Show stable, he taught me to put your hand under here, like check under the rug, and if that's warm, the horse is warm. If it's not warm, they're cold. So that's the one part there that I've learned the most on. Trey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You crazy. You want to talk to the camera. You want to talk to the camera. Hello. Hello. Hello, my handsome. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope that was helpful. So yeah, that's just a guidance. I have the 3 rugs. The base layer, the cotton flag, excuse me. Then either a woolen rug or polar fleece, and then your big, heavy, thick weather beater rug on top. And it can be weather beater, Newmarket, whatever. Really good quality, best to buy, the best quality you can. Then you don't have to keep, excuse me. Then you don't have to keep buying rugs when they're shit quality. So yeah, that's it guys, that's for our chat today. My education for rugging horses for winter. So hope you enjoyed, hope that explained a bit. If you're new to it, you don't understand anything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I will try my very best to answer everything to the best of my knowledge. If not, I will find out. Alright, I've got to take this guy to the paddock now. He's getting me anything. It's like the end of the world when you're Teddy and you don't get your way because you've got no patience and the world revolves around you. Mister, turn your bum around. Alright guys, happy showing, happy riding, good luck with all your show horse adventures, and we will see you in the next vlog, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!